everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can leave a Discord server on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just like be here on Discord on your mobile, and when you have it, you want to just click here on whatever server you got. Click those dots in PC gaming or whatever, and you're gonna see right here leave server straight away. So again, you're on server, 3 dots, scroll down below and leave server, and that's it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about like whatever you can do and how we can do things, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.